So for math this week, Ms. Schneider brought out the balance scale. And when we bring out our scales, we're going to be measuring weight. So we were able to talk about weight just a little bit. Like we really rarely touched on it right before we left. So I wanted to make sure to help you guys out to understand our heavy and our light weights. So weights can be heavy and light. Like Miss Schneider's laundry hamper here. If I pick it up, it's heavy. That is really heavy. But if I pick up this ruler, that is really light. Light items I can pick up really high. They are light. Heavy items, I can't pick it up too high. They stay low to the floor. So our heavy items are low to the floor. Is that silly? And our light items are light. Ready? Heavy, low to the floor. And light. Good job. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just measure a few things out and see on which side of the scale goes low to the floor and is heavy, and which side of the scale goes up for light. So let's go ahead and just measure a few things Ms. Schneider has around the house. I have my hair clip. I'm going to put my hair clip right over here. Oh! The hair clip is low to the floor. So that means it's heavier than nothing. That's silly. Okay, so the next thing we want to see is this glue stick. I'm going to put this glue stick in this scale over here, or in this container, and I want to see what happens. Which item is going to be low to the floor or heavy, and which item is going to go up for light? Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness! Friends, look! Our glue stick went low to the floor, meaning it's heavy, and our hair clip went up, which is light. Oh my goodness, so our glue stick is heavier than the hair clip. Awesome, I'm gonna take these guys out, and now I wanna pair these, pair different objects or counting materials with numbers. So I actually have these counting blocks that we used in a previous lesson, and we're gonna see how many we can put in each one and which one is low to the floor and heavier, and which one is light. All right, so here we go. First, let's start with these red ones. How many red counters do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 red counters. So ready, I'm already going to have the 4 go right here so we can see it. And, oh my goodness! 4 is low to the floor, which means it's heavier than nothing. Okay, so now let's see these ones. I got some green over here. How many green counters do I have? Are we ready to count? 1, 2. I have 2 green counters. Put over here number 2 so we can see them. And now friends, when I put this one in, I want you to see which side is low to the floor or heavy, and which side is light. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh my goodness! 4 counters stayed low to the floor, while the 2 counters stayed light or up. So that means 4 is more than 2. And 4 is heavier than 2. Okay, alrighty. So now I'm going to take this out, start back at 0, and I want to go another one with the counters, and then we're going to move on to something different. So I'm going to stick with red again. And how many counters do we have of red this time? Just 1. All right, here we go. Let's put this one right here. We have 1 red counter. Now I want to pick out blue. So how many blue counters do I have? Ready? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 blue counters. Good job, 3. So I'm going to put 3 right here so we can see that guy. And now when I'm putting it in, what are we looking for? We're looking for heavy or low to the flow. Which one will be heavier? What do you think? Do you think 1 or 3 is going to be low to the flow or heavier? Which one? Let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness! Friends, 3 is low to the flow and 1 is light. So that means 3 counters is more and heavier than 1 counter. Oh, great job, friends. Okay, so now let's do one more example, and I'm just trying to find stuff Miss Schneider has around the house. And you know me, I love my markers, so I have a bunch of markers here. So I'm gonna go ahead and count out how many markers we have in one container and then put the rest in the other one. So here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 markers on this side. 5 is pretty heavy. But let's see how many markers I can get on this side. Ready? 1. Oh, that's still really light. 5 is heavier than 1. Let's see. 2. 5 is heavier than 2. 3. Nope. Look, we still are low to the flow. 5 is heavier than 3. See? 4. Oh, no. 5 is still low to the flow. Okay, let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Oh, of course. This is not set up as nicely as it should be. Okay, well, friends, look. They're both off of the ground. 5 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're the same. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, but now I do have one more, so I do want to see. Because we have 5 and 5, which are equal and the same. But now if I add one more, we have 6. 6 is now low to the flow or heavier than 5. So that means 6 is more than 5. Oh, good job, friends. Now, things that you could also do if you don't have a scale at home, you could go around and pick up different items. You know, pick up, see how big, how heavy this is, and just say, oh no, this is light, I can pick it up. Then I wouldn't recommend picking up any lamps or anything like that that could hurt or be dangerous, but you know, just have fun with it. Go outside, try and pick up big rocks versus little rocks or a leaf or anything like that. But yeah, just be creative as you can be and have fun. Bye.